Kandy, the last royal capital of Sri Lanka, is a city steeped in rich history and cultural heritage. Renowned for its scenic beauty and historical significance, it's nestled amid lush mountains in the central region of the island. Kandy's history dates back to the 15th century. The city's blend of colonial architecture and ancient temples adds to its unique charm. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988, Kandy is a testament to the Sinhalese culture. The Temple of the Tooth, also known as Sri Dalada Malagawa, is a historic temple in Kandy, Sri Lanka, renowned for housing the sacred tooth relic of the Buddha. Established in the 16th century by the Kanjan kings, it has since been a pivotal center for Buddhist worship and Sinhalese identity. The temple, an epitome of Sri Lankan heritage, reflects the country's intricate woodcarving and Kanjan architectural style. The Esala Perahera, also known as the Festival of the Tooth, is a grand festival celebrated in Kandy, Sri Lanka, with its origins dating back to the 3rd century BC. This historical event honors the sacred tooth relic of Buddha, which is housed in the Temple of the Tooth. Held annually in July or August during the full moon of the Esala month, the festival features a spectacular procession of dancers, drummers, and elaborately decorated elephants. It symbolizes the rich fusion of religious devotion and local folklore, attracting thousands of pilgrims and tourists.